Hello students, how are you? I am Naresh Raman once again, and today I am going to tell you few services from your forehand side. Okay, how to do, you can do different types of services from forehand. This is from backhand, this is backhand, and this is forehand. So again I am repeating the same thing. Whenever you serve, your palm should be open and it should be, the ball should be visible to the opponent, and second thing, it should be at least 16 centimeter high. Okay, otherwise the umpire is going to say fault, and you will lose point. The opponent will automatically get a point. So, and it should be behind this end line, your end line. It should be behind from the end line. It should be visible and 16 centimeters. So this is the first thing all of you should know. Now, different types of spins or different types of services you can do for your forehand side from this side. So one of the simple services you can do counter service. Okay, simply throw the ball and counter the ball. This is a very common service, and you can do it on both the sides, on this side also, that side also, or in the center. And try to do it fast. Okay, try to hit it fast. If you hit it fast, then there will be a speed. There will be speed in the ball, and the table is short, little short. So that's why the ball is going outside. You don't take it otherwise. But this is a very good service, especially for the beginners also. If you do, definitely you will get a point. Or you will get a simple return if the opponent is not very good. So you can apply this service. Now the second thing which I am going to tell you, the most common service is side spin. Okay, so in this case what you have to do, just slightly curve. See what I have done, my wrist. Curve your racket like this and try to hit the ball from this side. From this side, the last, and spin the ball, okay? Spinning the ball, okay? So in this case, what will happen? What will be the rotation of the ball? What will be the spin of the ball? The ball will, when you do like this, the ball will go in this direction. Okay, again I am telling you, just watch it. So this is a very popular service. Most of the beginners do this service. In high level also people do. So what you have to do, you just need to slightly curve your wrist in this position and just try to rub the ball from this portion, and it will go. So this is one of the service you can do from the forehand side. One other service you can do is, instead of rubbing it in front, this is side spin. You can do and change your action, and in last stage you can do like this, cutting the ball. The opponent will get confused. He will think that you are doing side spin, but when the ball is going to touch the racket, at that moment you just do this. This is your back spin. Okay? Back spin. Sorry. Okay, so this and cutting the ball. Again I am showing you. This is the position. You are doing it, and at the last moment you are cutting it. Okay. So this is known as the backspin service, and you can do it this side also, in center also, anywhere of the table. So these are normally we can do services from your forehand side, and you can do from forehand side, you can do high toss also. That I will make a separate video for high toss ball in my next video. So quickly, the three services, normal services you can do from your forehand. First I have told you the counter service, okay, fast ball. The second service is side spin the ball, okay, side spin the ball. And the third service is backspin. This and passing the ball. There is one more service from forehand, but it is very difficult for you, but still I am telling you, and it is a very effective service. This is service you can do to make the opponent fool also, but in high level it is not possible, but it is a reverse spin. So in this case, when you are doing like this, the ball was this and it was going to that side. Now there is a player of China. Normally she tries this service very much. Her name is Ding Ding. She is also an Olympian champion, Chinese #1 player, women's, for so many years. So what she do the service like this, and at the last moment, instead of hitting from this side, she hits from the other side, this side, this. So in this case, the ball will turn that side. Instead of this, she is reversing the ball and using the back side. So see, just watch it carefully. Oh, sorry. Again. So this is the way. It is a difficult service. You need to try. See. Again, I am showing you. Ball is reversing. So this is also one of the service. It's a difficult service, but it is a very good service. So these four services you can try at home. And one more thing I want to tell you once again. Whenever you serve, try to serve it near to the table. First drop should be here. Why it should be here? If you hit first drop, it will hit the opponent court somewhere here or here. Or sometimes it will take 2-3 bounces on the opponent side. That will be good. Why? If you do long service, so there will be an advantage for the opponent to hit the ball, top spin or flat the ball, or drive the ball. But if you do short service, the first drop, if in your side near the end line, second drop should be here and maybe third drop should be here. So in that case, he is not able to hit the ball very fast. So he will definitely do cut or guard, or sometimes he can or she can open also the ball or flick also, but it will be easy for you to return, not in comparison of hitting the ball if he or she hits the ball. So try to do the service near to the table, somewhere here. So it will be 2 or 3 drops. Again I am showing you 2 or 3 drops in the opponent's field. That's all. Thank you very much. If you have any confusion, any problem, please ask me, please do write to me, and I am going to clarify it. Thank you very much.